Hello everyone, my name is Adriana Shafibeg, and today I would like to go and review the current Click It or Ticket program. In this review, we will be going over the implementation of the resources, who this program is targeting, and the potential ways we can make this program more effective and efficient in the state of California. Why Click It or Ticket? It saves lives, it's effective, it's prevention, education, and safer roads. Why? It takes 2 seconds to click it and save lives. This is California's slogan and motto. 2 seconds is a very short amount of time and effective enough to be implemented. This slogan has proven to be effective in California and their data supports it. Why it matters. This is why it matters. These precious lives are what matters. As you can see here in these pictures, we have a Graco advertisement, Be Your Child's Hero. Put in a car seat effectively. A mother teaching her son to drive, and see how their seatbelts are put in properly. And then you see here children put into their car seats effectively and safely. And then this young man, before he's taken out to drive, you can see he's putting on a seatbelt. So all these pictures show the correct way to wear a seatbelt and why it's so important. Data. Based off California statistics, we will compare the effectiveness of this program to the statistics of the US as a whole. California statistics state that in 2005, Click or Ticket became effective in the state. Seatbelt rates increased from 92.5% to 95.9% in 2018. The U.S. statistics as a whole have stated that since 2013 to 2017, there have been numerous lives saved. The numbers are 70,000 to be exact. According to the data provided by the U.S. Department of Transportation, the calculated number of passenger deaths in cars occurring in 2018 were 22,697 due to not wearing their seatbelts. The age range for those who lost their lives were from the ages of 13 to 34. Effectiveness. California's Ticket or Click It has been effective in the state due to the high ticket amount, which are $160 for the first offense and $490 for not properly restraining a child under 16. If the parent or legal guardian is not in the vehicle or present, the ticket will be given to the driver. Nationwide, the National Highway Traffic Safety has been effective in saving 15,000 lives in 2017 with Click It or Ticket. Click It or Ticket has been effective since it hits individuals economically by enforcing the law. Also, it's so effective by educating people of the effectiveness of the Click or Ticket via media outlets, commercials, top safety points in new cars, which car is the safest for people, billboards, safety message alerts, and safety tips in children adolescent shows. Closing considerations. Anytime people enter a car, whether it's a long or a short amount of time, day or night, it takes just 2 seconds to buckle up. This will not only save your life, but the other lives, such as family, friends, and bystanders. By using a seatbelt and child safety seat properly, it's the #1 thing anyone can do to save lives and survive an automotive accident. Thank you for your time, and here's my references. Have a great day.